I got my lawnmower stuck in that hole when I was mowing down the Johnson grass. In my video, I had said that I would probably need to get help or find something to pry it out myself. I had offers to, for help. I decided to do it myself. I wanted to make a YouTube video and show people how you can easily get your lawnmower unstuck out of a hole, especially a heavy riding lawnmower that you can't drive out. You can't put it in reverse and pull out. You can't put it in forward and pull out. And you can't push it out yourself because it's too darn heavy. So what I've done is I've gotten two things out of my shed. I got an iron pipe and a steel actually it was a drill, one of those drills they use for drilling in and knocking down holes and stuff. But I'm going to put the pipe under the lawnmower, put this thing in the pipe and use it to pry it up. Whew. So anyway, here I go. How's that for fast? I picked up that heavy lawnmower and moved it with some simple tools. That's how one man can build a castle. That's how one man can do a tremendous amount of work using the proper tools. Being smart about it. Doing it in a way that you don't hurt yourself. You know what? It was easier to do that than it was to pick up one of my grandkids. Believe it or not. All right, now what I need to do is get the key, which I happen to leave in the house. Get it started and move it on. All right, I need to get those metal poles, the pipe and pole, and put it back in the shed. All right. Whew. You know what to do. Give me some thumbs up, subscribe, make a comment.